Hey guys, this is a super easy DIY that will only take you a few minutes and about 50 cents worth of materials. If you have a vase like this at home, you may want to update the look now. These were common vases about 10 years ago or more, and recently I noticed that the neck was horribly discolored, but I do want to keep the vase because it does provide me with great height and a very tall cutout area of my home. Let's see what a little revamp can do. Carefully peel the rope off. Because this vase is tall and slender, I wanted to continue that look and chose a white ribbon rope to keep the color uniform, but still provide texture at the neck. 2 dots of hot glue keeps this in place. I'll try and link the stems from Amazon in the show notes. I absolutely love them because they have a very airy vibe to them, and after a year of displaying them, they haven't collected any dust. So highly recommend. They do sell out, but they come back in stock fairly quickly. I'm providing a side-by-side so you can see the much fresher and sleeker update. You can do the same in just a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share this video with all your coastal friends. See you next time!